What's up guys, my name is Bron. Today we have two more items to unbox, right? So today what I have here with me is access point from Ruijie and also PoE switch from Ruijie. So let's talk about it one after the other. So the first one I would like to talk about is the PoE switch, right? So those of you who don't know what PoE switch is, let's say you have an access point which it is mounted on a pole or anywhere and you don't want to plug too many adapters in your wall socket. You can use the RJ45 cable and power will pass through that cable, and also internet data will also pass through the same cable, so you don't need to run power adapter cable and also internet cable. So that is the job of this, and this switch can also transfer a data of a gigabyte, because it's a gigabyte switch, right? So this model is RG-ES206GS-P. So you can see right here, right? So this is the smallest model, and this PoE is PoE Plus. So we have PoE and we have PoE Plus and we have PoE Plus Plus. So the meaning of the plus is the more you see PoE Plus, it means that the voltage or the power output of this thing keep increasing. So actually this one has a power output of 54 watts. So this is enough to power most of the Ruijie routers, and it has 4 PoE switches which you can connect your routers in, and it also have uplink connection too. So we are going to unbox it and see details about this. After this one, we will go to the other one and also unbox this one, the other one, right? So this is how it goes. So let me open here and then open this, right? So let me turn it this way so you can see what is inside. It's okay. So in the box, this is what you have in the box, right? The first thing you have is the manual. Let me throw it away. This one is also, I think, a manual too. Let me put it here. So this is the main switch. It's not really that big, so let me put it here. So we will talk about it in a minute, okay? So this is the switch, and this is also the power adapter for the switch, right? This is the power adapter for the switch. And right here is the AC cable to connect the power adapter, right? So these are the things you have in the box, right? So let's talk about the switch. So this is the switch. Very cute, right? Not really big, but very powerful. So if you see here, we have an output PoE which is connected to the RJ45 ports 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have uplink 1, 2. So if we say uplink, that is where you connect your internet. Let's say if you have a Starlink, you put it on the uplink, and then the PoE will collect the data from the Starlink and send it to your router. That is the uplink. So if you see here, there is a 6P port. This port is actually for fiber optic. So if you have a fiber optic connection, you can as well connect to this port. So you can see how tiny it is and how powerful this switch can be. So let me take a measurement compared to an iPhone, right? Let's compare it to an iPhone. So this is an iPhone, and if you see, the iPhone is bigger than it. So the thickness is bigger than the iPhone, but I mean the height of the iPhone is quite taller than the switch itself. So as you can see, but I think the size is literally the same thing as iPhone, let's say 14 Pro Max. It's the same size of it. So you can see how powerful this switch can be. And let's say if you have multiple access points, you can plug all of them here and just plug your internet, whether from your provider, your ISP, to the uplink or to the fiber optic connection, and then it will pick it from here. So that is what you have in the box. Now let's talk about the other one. Let's unbox the other one, right? So this is the Ruijie Reyee RG-ES206GS-P. So this is an access point router, and you can connect it. I don't know whether it's meant for outdoor. When we open it, we will see whether it's meant for outdoor or not. But literally, as I can see it, it's mainly for indoor. They support Wi-Fi 6. So as you can see, their products that are coming to the market are very powerful products. So this is an access point which a lot of people can access. It supports Wi-Fi 2G and also support Wi-Fi 5G. So you don't have any problem for older device and also newer devices, right? So let's unbox and see what is inside this one. So let me do it this way. Okay, wow. This is how it is in the box, right? Very nice. Let's pull it out. Okay, let me put it here and see if we have any other thing in the box. So apart from the access point, we have notes. That is the manual, two manual. It always comes with two manual. I don't know whether English and different languages, right? And we have in the box a mount. If you want to mount it on the ceiling, this is the mount you need to mount it on the ceiling. So that is what we have in the box actually. So let me put it right here and talk about the switch. And talk about the access point. So this is the Reyee access point. So if I check the back, this is not for outdoor because it doesn't really have any protection for water and other stuff. So it's mainly for ceiling actually to drop data from the ceiling. So I think it is for indoors. And if you check the connection, it has two RJ45 cable and the reset button and the DC 12 volts connector. So what it means is that the LAN PoE connection on my right hand side is going to connect the PoE, which I just unboxed, to that particular port. And also the LAN 2 is also just taking the data. That one is no PoE connection. That one take data out. Let's say for instance you have two access points. One is facing here, one is facing here. You can take the data from this one and give it to the other one, and take the data from the Starlink or the PoE and connect it here. So that is how it works. So I'm going to set it out. I have a setup in the house for the area, but the house, some part of the house are not getting a good connection. That's the reason why I bought this. So I'm going to also install it and then share the connection with you. Thank you for watching. So if today is your first time watching my videos, kindly give me a follow, also subscribe, press notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My name is Zebron.